Hi, I'm Dr. Ramona Lazard. I'm a doctor of physical therapy and a fitness and chronic pain coach. I help senior women to move freely and fearless while managing chronic pain. So I'm going to show you guys today in this video how to make apple cider vinegar gummies. So I just want to apologize for my voice is raspy. Recovering from a sore throat. Just bear with me. So the ingredients that you see is apple cider vinegar. It is a detox kind. You don't have to get that one, but this one was less expensive. Found it at Walmart. It's organic and non-GMO. Has extra ingredients: lemon, cinnamon, and honey. So you use 1/3 of that. Also, you take 2/3 of strawberry that's been pureed. I had this in the freezer already, and so that's why it looks like that. And agar powder, use 4 tablespoons of agar powder. And it's gluten-free, it's a thickener. And then you want to use something to sweeten it. Honey, you'll use 2 tablespoons of that. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video of how to make apple cider vinegar gummies. See you in the next video.
Welcome back, everyone. The original audio for this video isn't working for some odd reason. In this video, I combine all the ingredients in a small pot. Medium heat over the stove. Use a whisk to stir the ingredients until they combine. Cool for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then pour into a gummy mold tray.
Welcome back, everyone. How are you? In the last video, you guys see me had the ingredients all in the ice tray, and it was kind of like it was moving. It was kind of liquidly formed. So now it has hardened after being in the refrigerator and the freezer. So I'm excited about that. I already ate one. It was super good. Not too sweet. For those people that don't like a lot of sweet, this is the recipe for you. As a reminder, I am Ramona Lazard. I'm a doctor of physical therapy and a fitness and chronic pain coach. I help senior women to move freely and fearless while managing chronic pain. So, to get you up to speed, if this is the video you started with, go back and watch the other videos. That'll be helpful because it will walk you through the steps of how to make apple cider vinegar gummies. And so, which is something that you'll see in the store, and you can do the simple ingredient at home. This recipe is very simple to do, nothing really extremely hard about doing it. So it takes about maybe 10 to 15 minutes altogether with the prep and finishing the product. So what's so good about apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar is a fermented juice from crushed apples. So basically, it produces active ingredient help to fight off bacteria, fungus, and it helps to support your immune system. Also helps to decrease your blood sugar. Especially this is good for people that are diabetics. That'll help them as well. There were some studies that show that it helped to decrease the A1C, and that was through 8 to 12 weeks study. Also, it helps to reduce weight by making you feel full. Also helps to improve your symptoms if you are diabetic, and it helps to decrease your cholesterol. In essence, to help to promote a better heart health. So definitely a lot of good benefit to having apple cider vinegar. But you definitely don't want to consume too much of it. Some of the studies and recommendations is between 1 to 2 tablespoons a day. Too much is 8 ounces a day. There was a study that was done. They found that a woman was consuming 8 ounces of apple cider vinegar for 6 years, and that, in essence, she started to lose her potassium, and so with potassium loss, they found that she was having bone loss. So she lost some of her bone density. That, as a result, she got diagnosis for osteoporosis. So you definitely want to be mindful, even though this is a good component to have in your daily day-to-day life, basically. But you definitely want to be mindful of that, because it also can cause a decreased rate of food that leaves your stomach. It definitely can cause erosion of your teeth as well as throat burn. Okay, so we don't want those symptoms to occur. So you definitely want to keep that in mind. And I'm just so grateful that you guys are still here with me and watching this video. And I just commend you for that, for just sticking it through and going through each videos. I can't just thank you so much. I wish I can just give you a hug through this video. So, and I want you guys to just remember that I am listening to you. So comment in the comments below. Also, please like this video. This lets me know that this video is doing good and that you guys would like to see more videos like that. So I thank you so much for watching. Just remember that the ingredients, I will try to have some of the links to some of the products so you guys can use that. There is no affiliation to any of these links that I'm putting in the description box. Just want to be a little bit helpful for you guys and easy to find these products very quickly. And also, just to let you guys know that I would love to basically connect with you. I'll have all the information how to connect to me below, and I would love to work with any senior woman that is dealing with chronic pain and just went through so many doctors and so many therapists, and they haven't had any of the results that they are looking for. Definitely I have different plans that could be very helpful for you for fitness and nutrition. Just connect with me. I'll leave all that information down in the description box below. Okay, I offer a free 30-minute assessment. That's right, a free 30-minute assessment. That's a value of $125. Okay, so, and I'm giving you 30 minutes of that for free. Okay, so just know that I am thinking about you and that I definitely would love to hear from you. You guys, you have a great rest of your day, evening, night. Sleep well, and I will see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.